Welcome to the heartbeat of American legend, the Harley Davidson factory. Today, we watch a black beauty. Every black Harley starts as raw, high-strength steel. Idork, the soul of the machine.
Lasers cut each tube with micron precision. No room for error.
The iconic backbone shape, bent perfectly, every time.
The frame is locked into a jig. Alignment is everything. Robotic welders fuse the joints Vtwin, stronger than human hands. Expert hands add the final welds, where art meets engineering. Every weld is laser scanned. Hide. If it's not perfect, it's rejected. The heart of the black Harley Surrend. The Vtwin engine block is cast right here.
Machines carve the cylinders to microscopic tolerances.
The crankshaft is balanced. That's the heartbeat of the Vtwin.
Pistons and rods go in, situ. Each bolt is torqued to exact spec. The valve train is assembled for the seal, breathing life into the engine.
The engine gets its black coat, heat-resistant and sinister. Now the engine is complete, ready to meet the frame. Inside the gearbox, 6 speeds for the open road. Engine and transmission become one, a seamless power unit. The frame is powder-coated deep black. Useful, beautiful, and durable. The engine drops into the frame, the marriage of heart and soul.
Every wire is routed and zip-tied, no loose ends.
The iconic fuel tank gets its first layer, deep gloss black.
A master pinstriper adds the gold line, a Harley tradition.
Clear coat locks in the color, then baked for hardness.
The forks are built, oil-filled, spring-loaded, ready for the road.
Forks are clamped into the triple trees. Steering is born.
The swing arm and rear shock go on. That's where the road meets the rear tire.
Each spoke is laced and trued by hand. Bugyoed strong and true.
Tires go on, then balanced perfectly to avoid vibration.
Front wheel mounted, the bike is finally on its own 2 feet.
Rear wheel attached to Razuli for the carbon belt drive is clean and quiet. Dual disc brakes up front. Stopping power is serious. Bars, grips, and levers, and everything the rider touches.
Foot controls mounted, forward or mid, your choice. The exhaust goes on, first tuned for that legendary Harley rumble.
Tank is bolted down, ready for its first gallon.
The seat goes on, where the rider spends hours of joy.
Battery connected, lights flash, horn honks, she's alive.
Engine oil, brake fluid,
and coolant where vitals filled.
Listen to that, the first heartbeat of a new black Harley.
It idles for 20 minutes forepour, breaking in the cam and lifters.
On the dyno, measuring horsepower and torque to spec.
Brakes are tested. Stopping distance must be perfect.
Headlight aimed so you see and be seen. UV light and paper grids, any leak, and it goes back.
A Randall torque audit too. Every bolt must be tight. Paint is inspected under bright light. No imperfections allowed. Over bumpy rollers with, the suspension works as designed.
Speedometer calibrated, what you see is true speed. Emissions checked, clean enough for the road.
Pressure washed to ensure no water gets where it shouldn't.
Every inch is cleaned and polished, ready for its close-up. 2 sets of eyes. 75 checkpoints. 0 compromises.
The VN is stamp sieves for crayon. This bike is now a unique individual.
Manual, toolkit, and keys, pager cours. Ford cares everything the new owner gets.
For export models, the bike is crated, protected for the ocean voyage.
And there it goes, a brand new black Harley rolling off the line.
One last full throttle run to here, just to hear that beautiful music.
In the dark room taste fragrant, every light must shine bright.
A final photo shoot, notary for the website and the brochure.
One of many, but each one special. Heading to a dealership near you. From raw steel to rolling thunder, you knew. That's how a black Harley comes to life.
If you enjoyed this factory journey, smash that like button and subscribe to Factory Wheels. See you on the next production line.